So I'm making this video especially for those of you who are not really familiar with Cheat Engine, and if you are, the installation will be a little bit different for this mod compared to what you may be used to. So you should get to here. There should be 5 files here, one of which is the kingbeandip's handling table. You'll need that one. I already have everything here. And you'll also need Cheat Engine, so you can go to cheatengine.org and download and install that. Once you have that up, you can you'll need to go to your to where the game is installed. So I have it on disk GOG Games Star Wars Racer, and here we have Star Wars Episode 1 Racer. This is the game's executable. We'll need to copy this, so copy and paste and rename it whatever you want, it doesn't really matter. Okay, so we're going to mod this copy of the game. Okay, so we have to go back to the files that you downloaded and open the handling table, which will open in Cheat Engine like so. Then we need to go to open file and find in here the copy of the game that we made and hit open. Hit OK and yes. And then you can select all by shift click and then hit space to mark them all as active. Now the painful part, I'm sorry you have to do this, is you need to go through and type in all of the changed values. In the future I will be working on a script so that you don't have to do this. The good news is you only have to do it once. One side note, the bottom profile here is the AI. The part of the balancing makes pretty much all of the pods faster, except for the ones that were already very fast. So in order to account for that, if you set the AI max speed from 430 up to 500, then they'll run a little bit faster. Anyway, yeah, so we'll just go through. In parentheses it says it 4, so we need to double click on the 7 and hit 4. And do that for everything. Okay, so that took me 8 minutes. So all of those values should be filled in now. So we'll go up to File and Save File. And here we need to select the one that we have modded again and hit open. I don't know why it doesn't say save, but that's what it's doing. And now our game will be patched. So we can close Cheat Engine, we don't need it anymore. So now to start the game, all we need to do is go to where the file is. If you want, you can make a link on your desktop and start that. And when it comes up, all of your pods should be modified. There it is. Okay, so these are now stock stats. So Anakin, Team Dosable, see all of the stats are different. Keep in mind that what the game shows here is only about half of the stats for each pod. The bars here don't show anything about boost or several other things. So some pods, like one Sandage, looks terrible, but he's secretly awesome. And some pods look better than they actually are. But yeah, so there you go.